Day 54, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. I made some sales. These are my affiliate marketing commissions. And today I have 5 new contacts. This is my ClickFunnels account. And this is the funnel that I'm using to collect leads. If I click on edit page, this is the opt-in page, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And this is for people who wants to create multiple passive income streams on autopilot. And when people click this button, I can collect their name and their email address with this pop-up. And I'm going to send to them this ebook, the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate, through email. In the next page, I'm telling people that they will receive an email from me. And when they click this button, yes, show me how, they will go to the bridge page. And I have here my video in which I'm explaining the next steps. And when people click this button, get started today, they will go to my affiliate offer. And if someone buys through this link, I can earn a commission. But more importantly, I'm collecting emails. As you can see in the screen, this is inside of my GetResponse account. I have 955 contacts. Why is it important to collect emails? Because you can promote multiple affiliate offers through email. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.